Hello students, in this chapter we will study about the environmental issues. As we know, the biggest issue about our environment is pollution. So what is pollution? An undesirable change in physical, chemical or biological property of environment is called pollution. Means if any of the harmful material, harmful chemical is getting mixed into our environment, it is causing the pollution of our environment. Now, the types of pollution. Types of pollution, we know air pollution, water pollution, soil, radiation pollution, etc. that we will study in detail. Number 1 is air pollution. Air pollution are undesirable changes in physical, chemical or biological property of air. Here as we can see, the factories and vehicles are releasing out smoke. In these factories and in vehicles, a large amount of fossil fuel is being burnt. That fossil fuel is containing sulfur, nitrogen and carbon, etc. When these carbon are mixing with oxygen, so they are forming carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, NO2, and carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, etc. So these are the oxides of carbon, nitrogen and sulfur. These are causing the pollution of our environment. So here we have studied how our air is getting polluted because of the oxides of carbon, nitrogen, sulfur, etc. Now what are the effects of these pollutants? These pollutants means the oxides of carbon, nitrogen and sulfur, etc. are causing various effects. Number 1 is effect on plants. What happens, as we can see here in the diagram, these leaves are yellow in color. This is because of chlorosis and Why? What is this chlorosis? Due to the pollution, the chlorophyll of the plants lack of chlorophyll. So the oxides of sulfur and nitrogen just destroy the chlorophylls of the leaves, and here as we can see in this diagram, this chlorophyll got destroyed and leaves have become yellow in color. Then after that what happened? Defoliation. Defoliation means leaves will fall down. So here you can see in this picture, leaves are falling down, and here we can see in this picture large number of trees are shedding their leaves.